The latest real estate sales stats are in for the month of January in Ottawa, and if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in 2025, you'll want to pay attention to some of the trends that we're seeing right now. So let's start with the big picture, home sales. In January 2025, 617 homes were sold throughout the Ottawa Real Estate Board's MLS system. And that's a slight drop of 4.2% compared to last January. To put this into perspective, sales were 13% below the 5-year average and 9.6% below the 10-year average for this time of year. By the way, my name is Sernoskie. I'm a real estate agent here in Ottawa with LePage. And if you want to stay up to date with the housing market here in the nation's capital, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a ton of future content like this. So let's get back to the video. Here's where it gets interesting. Activity in the market is picking up. According to the Ottawa Real Estate Board President Paul Chan, more listings are hitting the market and buyers who were on the sidelines are starting to jump back in. Ottawa's market is seeing increased activity as more listings hit the market and buyers start to re-engage, Chan said in a statement. So while there's more supply, the availability of suitable properties in various market segments remains tight. So this is reflected in some homes selling quickly while others linger on the market for a little bit longer, and this is what Chan said. One big factor to consider is that lower interest rates are on the horizon. And with the recent Bank of Canada rate cut in January and the potential for future reductions, confidence is growing in the market. And this means more buyers could be returning to the market in the months ahead. However, not all homes are selling at the same pace. While some properties are getting snapped up quickly, others are sitting on the market for a bit longer. And if you're looking to sell, strategy can make all the difference. Pricing competitively and making sure your home stands out will be key to getting a sale in this shifting market. You also might be wondering what's happening with housing prices. Well, home prices are moving, but not in the same direction for every type of property. In January, the overall MLS Home Price Index benchmark price in Ottawa was $649,900, and that's up 5.2% from last year. Single-family homes saw a more modest increase with a benchmark price of $713,000, and that's up 2.3% year over year. Townhomes and row units actually dropped in value, with the benchmark price sitting at $448,000, down 3.9% from last year. Apartments, on the other hand, are seeing strong growth. The benchmark price for condos is now $436,900, and that's up 4.5%. And if you're wondering about the average selling price, homes in Ottawa sold for an average of $670,258 in January, and that's up 5.8% compared to last year. Now, here's where buyers have more options. Inventory levels are increasing, giving them more choices to consider. 1,359 new homes hit the market in January, which is 3% more than the last year and well above the 5-year and 10-year averages for this time of year. The total number of active listings at the end of January was 3,312, and that's a massive 57.3% jump from last year. Active listings were up a whopping 90% from the 5-year average for the month. And when we look at months of inventory, which measures how long it would take to sell all the available homes at the current sales pace, we're now at 5.4 months compared to just 3.3 months last January. So you might be wondering what this means for you. With a sales to new listing ratio of about 45%, we're currently in a more balanced market, which favors neither buyers nor sellers. For buyers, there are more homes to choose from, and if rates continue to drop, your affordability could improve. For sellers, competition is increasing. Pricing your home right and ensuring it's presented in the best possible light is going to be crucial. Looking ahead, we still have some wild cards to watch out for, and economic factors like US tariffs, upcoming provincial and federal elections, and the future interest rate changes could all influence buyer confidence. But for now, we're seeing signs that more people are getting back into the market. So whether you're buying or selling in Ottawa, staying informed is key. If you have any questions or want to chat about your next move, reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.